Hi, good evening. This is our second meeting. The first meeting we had one-to-one physical meeting offline. This is the meeting which I thought of having for a little bit of technical discussion. As I promised, frequently we'll be meeting so that you can also discuss about your career plans, right? So when I presented your scheme in my orientation program, I already mentioned that what are the possibilities of your uh, improving your profile other than the academics, right? You have 160 credit system, but in within 160 credits, uh, there are some courses which are self-learning, right? Or also we call as a exponential learning. Right from first year, right? You have, like say in summer, you are supposed to have a 2 credit project called community project. This project you will be doing with a group of students, uh, maybe in your summer break. That means 1 month, 1.5 month, you will be doing some project, community project. Community project means some problem statement you have to identify nearby your place wherever you stay, and then you need to do some sort of analysis and if possible give some solution. Not mandatory, but at least make an attempt. So that's why we said you this uh, exponential learning starts from first year itself. Then when you go to second year, I'm sure definitely from second year level itself you have a mini project. But surprisingly, for your batch, you have another thing called minors, minors, right? Course, which is your choice of total 4 courses starting from your second year onwards. And you also have a course called honors by research. This is again a choice, right? When you want to acquire a honors by research, that means you will be doing over and above honors degree from University of Mumbai in research. If you want to acquire, you will be doing over and above than the a normal student. Normal student means there are students who are interested only in getting a degree, but there are some students who are interested in getting over and above the degree called honors degree. They will be doing this through research. That extra credits you will be acquiring, that extra remaining credits for is through over and above in your summer and winter breaks. But interestingly, what will you do in research? Do you really understand research and what do you do in research? So you require a lot of, that's why I said motivational talks to understand what is research. It's not about your regular academics, it's over and above. Some 10% of the students are already doing research at various places, including IITs. So if you want to get that kind of a opportunity in collaborating, then you should start thinking itself because your research activity will start from second year onwards. And that too, it's a self contribution. There won't be any physical teaching training, right? You will be doing on your own. So what is that? Your contribution will come in research where you will get a honors. So honors by research, multidisciplinary minors, and honors certification by SPIT, which is certification means what? Some subjects, core subjects, you have total 12 core subjects. Out of those 12 core subjects, at least in 8 subjects, you should get AA grade, top grade. And you should maintain that CGPA of 8.5 in whether it honors by research or honors by certification. Multidisciplinary is not required, but multidisciplinary is mandatory. Means you have a choice of choosing your own multidisciplinary minors. And you have apart from mini projects in second year, you also have a major project in third year and final year. That major projects is spread in 2 semesters, 6th semester and 7th semester. 2 semesters, please understand. It is having major number of credits. I will show you once again how many credits are there. And then again in 8th semester, you have a choice of choosing either a research internship, 1 full semester research internship, or 1 full semester project, apart from the industry internship. Industry internship, I don't comment because generally it is seen as a pre-placement. So that is taken care by the industry. But so far, whatever I said, these are all the places where you will be contributing. I'm really wondering today when I called a meeting, out of 500 students, 30 students have joined. Now, I told you the day one itself that we have 550 students. Hardly end of the day, it will turn out to be some 10% of the students. And again, in 10%, finally, contributors could be maybe 2%, 3% students. This is the reality of engineering education. But anyhow, like I said, our job is to motivate the students. All right. So if you see the syllabus, let's say again, I will present your academic model. Right. So if you see the syllabus, all right. So I'm just talking about only exponential learning. See, exponential learning, you have in second semester, you have 2 credits. And again in 5th semester, you have 2 credits. 6th semester, you have 2 credits. 7th semester, you have 4 credits. And then 8th semester, you have 11 credits. So total 21 credits are only the projects. That means as good as out of your 160 credits, means roughly 14% is only the projects. 21 credits means as good as 1 full semester. But this is exponential learning. And if you see multidisciplinary minors, means again it's a choice of choosing a interdisciplinary in nature, not the courses which you belong to your department. It is the courses of other department, like different domains. How many courses you are having? You have 4 courses. So 4 courses means 14 credits, roughly 9%. So that means here you have 21 credits, here you have 14 credits. So that means 35 credits are your choice of contributing in a different domains other than your regular subjects, what you are, for which you are generally took the branch. These are other than that. All right. And then if you look at the other than exponential learning, I will also show you what is called your places. So in your second semester, one exponential learning is there in summer. There you will be doing community project of 2 credits. Now, when you go to third semester, uh, all right, right. Now you see in fourth semester, you have a multidisciplinary minor. So that means your career plans, other than your regular academics, is starting from second year itself, right? Multidisciplinary minor. Now, this is your choice. Okay. Then we said research internship of minimum 2 months for honors by research for 6 credits, right? Now, and see, students are expected to start working on mini project one during the summer, and you will be enrolling honors by research with a minimum of 8.25 CGPA. So these are the things where you need to work over and above, other than the papers, practicals, whatever you are doing. Of course, provided you are self motivated, because we cannot force you of acquiring, right, the honors by research or good projects and so on, because it is finally the group you will be forming, right? Or the courses is your choice. Nobody can force you. All right. So when you come to fifth semester, now here you have the project itself. You can see here the mini project. This is again your choice of what is a quality project. I will be talking about it very soon. You have again a 2 credits here. And multidisciplinary minors, again you have MDM, total 4 credits here you are having. Okay. So, and research internship, honors by research, 3 credits we are giving during this fifth semester, right? Now, when you come to sixth semester, now you see you have again multidisciplinary minor, third course you will be doing, but you are doing major project here, right? Main project stage one, which is 2 credits are given. And then you have again in this summer break 6 credits of honors by research you will be doing, right? Then seventh semester, again you have multidisciplinary minor, which is of different domain, and exponential learning. This time you have 4 credits. More weightage is given because your major outcomes are expected in seventh semester, because in sixth semester you are just starting the project, but by the time you reach to seventh semester some outcome has to be there. That means publications, patents, like that, it has to be there. So more weightage is given. And again seventh semester, in your, that is winter break, research internship honors, so 3 credits are given. So this is the final now finally. So by seventh semester your multidisciplinary minor will is completed, major project is completed, honors by research has to be completed. So everything is a full stop by seventh semester of acquiring, means building your own profile. And during that semester also all the placements, higher studies, applying to various universities takes place here. So that means your profile building is already done. When it comes to eighth semester, most of the time you won't be in the college. That's why even the subject also we said open elective, we will be doing online, not physically. So exponential learning, you see 11 credits. It is as good as one full semester. Credits is given for what? Either by research. So that's another question mark. What do you do one full semester research internship? If you don't go by research, do some project or join some industry as an internship program. All right. So now if you see the total structure, right? The honors by research every summer, winter, you have to dedicate right from second year. Minors, which is a mandatory but multidisciplinary nature, that means definitely that courses are in other domains, not from your own area. Means that the not belongs to your department, it's some other departments. Means multidisciplinary nature. And the research itself, research internship itself, which is a one full semester, and major project, which is having total 2 plus 4, 6 credits. There has to be some outcome, otherwise you don't get degree also there. All right. So these are all the various, right, scope where you need to be self motivated in order to do some good work. So what is expected in for a good student from a good college background? A student has to do some publications and patents. Generally, has seen the outcome of this exponential learning. Means if you are doing some good research, if you are doing some good major project, or like I said, some community project you are doing, they should contribute. Means they should be a product actually, where there is a possibility of getting fund or beneficial to the society, beneficial to the industry. What is the advantage of doing such kind of a work? Not only in academics you will get good scores, good grades, but as a placements and higher studies also, you will get some scholarship because you are already having that kind of a mindset of research mindset. So the professors may offer you good scholarships. That's why I said it's not just a pure examination based credits acquiring. You also acquire the credits through your own contributions, which happens beyond your college hours, maybe weekends, vacation, and so on. All right. So with this, I already explained you. I will quickly show you some slides which are related to exponential learning, right? So whatever is the slides I am presenting to you, probably you can again go through it, run through it. These are the things I was telling you about the activities. So there may be several activities may takes place in future, but my suggestion is participate. Do not skip them, particularly the technical activities. Nobody will force, it is your choice. When you do these activities, right, make sure wholeheartedly you have participated in these activities, not just like a tick mark. Okay, so with this introduction, I first I am planning one activity for all the students of first year, one full day on technical interaction, what is called minimum system design, where a software and hardware we will discuss. What is software, what is hardware, how to design a software and hardware for a specific applications. So this is a workshop, one full day workshop I will be doing for every class. This is the starting point where you need to be, right, self-motivated. After that, probably it will trigger you to understand what is product development, how to develop a product. So instead of doing the projects of copy paste projects which are available online, can we do some innovative ideas? Those ideas could lead to good publications and patents. You may get also some funding, right? Or you can also apply for some right? National agencies for grants. So when I'm saying this software hardware design, we titled this specific technologies called Internet of Things. Internet of Things consists of communication, computation, sensing. Because it has become so important that today entire world want to be get it communicated through internet. And computation, everybody is talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Means smart algorithms like a human beings. Means every device should behave like a human. And but the data is valuable. The data comes through sensors. Without data, no AI, no ML, nothing. So that's why communication, computation, sensing, three important components. So this is the motivational hands-on workshop I will be doing. I invited some of you to be part of volunteers. I will be training them first, right? I called maybe tomorrow or Saturday, Sunday. First, I will train them and we will schedule for each class 1 day workshop. After that workshop, again we will seek how many of you are really interested in getting trained further, at least 1 year, 2 years mentorship, so that it will help you in your choosing mini projects, major projects, research internships. At least you will get a proper guidance. We have a nice lab, Idea Lab, where central government lab, we have a lot of facilities are there. One should make use of it. Or at least you will get some guidance, even wherever you apply IITs or abroad, so that somebody will mentor you how to choose a topic. So this is the purpose where I thought at least I will introduce you about this workshop and the purpose of the volunteers. All right, so I think I do not want to take much time. It's just a quick introduction about that the first event which I will be organizing, the 1 day workshop. Right, then let's see, during the workshop we will discuss maybe 1-to-1, because it will be a smaller batch and physically, about this hobby club. How do we do that? The purpose of hobby club is, at least though you will be learning some programming languages, but end of that hobby club, you should be a extremely good coder, industrial coder. That's what we expect. The coding should be like industrial products. It's altogether different. If I want to quickly mention what is industrial coding, it is like optimized coding, real-time coding, implementing a scheduler, multitasking environment. It should have deadlines. It should be well documented, well structured program, and so on. Today only we have got a order from one company where they are willing to sponsor 10 lakhs for development of an IoT gateway. So why industry is coming to us? Because people want to develop these products indigenously. So please understand what is the expectations that some international company's product, if you want to develop on your own, they are willing to give you 10 lakhs for each product. So this cannot be done by simple or laboratory type of coding, where every program will begin and end. That's okay. In academics, where our whole focus is on learning the subject or learning the syntax. But in industry, it's about the product. You have to 24/7 think of the behavior of a product. And it has a lot of co-design issues. You have to, for example, if I increase the features, then cost may increase, size may increase, power consumption may increase. So if you try to improve one part of the product, other parameters may suffer. Then the product may fail also. So these are the core design challenges. So you have to think in all respects, and also look at the cost factor also, because some of the products are cost sensitive, but some of the products are reliability is an issue, upgradability is an issue, security is an issue. So these are the challenges you have to keep it in mind. And finally, what we expect from your, at least from your BTech is good publication, good patents you should have. And though it's a mandatory, but as I said, good. Good means not copy paste thing, genuine. That may attract good, right, scholarships in your higher studies or grants, or one day you can also start your own company. All right, so that's the purpose of at least those who are interested. I know finally we will have 10 to 20% of the students who will be motivated, but it's our job to, right, at least give a orientation program. All right, so that's all about this topic of the purpose of IoT Club is all about industrial coding in Internet of Things, means sensing, communication, computation. We will discuss about what is IoT, what is the software hardware design in the training program, 1 day training program. After that, that rest of the students only self motivated only. We don't do it generally after that. After 1 day workshop, we will train only those who are really interested because that's a certified program. And we also conduct a lot of competitions. So there it won't be like, irregularity and all. So we have to be particular about it when we are certifying. And it's a central government funded. And we also provide a lot of support there. All right. So any questions? Otherwise, we'll stop now. You can unmute yourself and ask the questions. Yeah, you can. Some.
Sir, I wanted to ask that, sir, actually, I have only basic knowledge in C++ and Java. So,
No,
am
we are
I
not assuming. We are not assuming anything. Purpose of starting in first year is I'm not making any assumption that you already know something. Understand? You joined only 2 weeks back. That's all. I am not making any assumptions. And the purpose of this club is to start with. I told you, no, it's a 1 or 2 years of part of the club.
Sir, I wanted to also ask that, like, is it possible for me to join this club now? Because I was slightly late to join the volunteers group, sir, for the
No,
IoT research. Am I
we have not started the training program for volunteers. They will be coming
can I
on
join that?
either. Yeah, you can.
Thank
They
you
will
so
be
much, sir.
coming on Saturday or Sunday or tomorrow, whatever. Tomorrow, nobody has given request. Maybe all of them are shown interest on Saturday or Sunday, I think.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Sir, one last question. My apologies, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Sir, if we, for let's say, if we want a research internship, will the college help us?
Help us in the sense first you should have the research attitude, then we can help.
Understood, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right. See, like I said, these are all the things which are self motivated, self learning. Nobody can give you a ready made food. You have to start preparing ingredients. Then over a period of time, people will help you to make a nice dish. But nobody will serve you ready made dish. All right, then. So if there are no questions, let's stop now. Yes, Jay.
Sir, my question is that if we are going in research internship, means we have to England towards to do higher studies now.
No, research internship means what? You are not opting for a industry internship. No, it is your choice. See, job is different, but industry internship means in seventh semester itself you want to go to industry. But if you do research internship in eighth semester, after eighth semester also you can go for job. That's okay. Some people not necessarily have to do internship in the industry after for job. You can take job, but still you can do research internship. It is your choice. Some people will opt for both. That means industry internship. That means 6 months before itself they want to go to industry. But in a way, I say it is their choice because if they have looking for a only job, financial problem, then they go for industry internship and job. But you do not have that kind of a mindset ki why I should be in a hurry to go to industry. Let me study properly, let me do research, then I will take up a job. Then go for a research internship, then you take the job in after eighth semester. It is your choice.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my second question is like that that many people opt for a higher studies. What are the mainly what are the major reasons for why people are opting for a higher studies? I mean, the reason is they offer if you do a higher studies, then the company will offer you higher packages or something like that, or your
No,
different
no.
reasons.
See, job is we payment point of view. Jobs they are there in India. The problem is not there. At least SPIT students are well placed in salary point of view, company's point of view. Higher studies means first they are not in a hurry for job. Students who are not in a hurry because see, I want to study more. You are eager learning. So why do you want to do job? Right? You still wants to study, no? और knowledge चाहिए. SPIT में जो knowledge है वो तो खाली half knowledge हो गया ना. तो वर्ल्ड में देर आर SPIT के ऊपर भी वर्ल्ड क्लास यूनिवर्सिटीज है. नॉट दिस आंडू पांडू यूनिवर्सिटीज. वर्ल्ड का टॉप 10, वर्ल्ड का टॉप 15 यूनिवर्सिटीज में एडमिशन मिला तो देन इट्स ए हैप्पी मूवमेंट ना. मतलब वर्ल्ड का टॉप रैंक्ड यूनिवर्सिटी रिसर्च लैब में आप स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो गुड. तो आपको जॉब में कौन जाता है जिसको नीड है, जिसको फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट चाहिए इमीडिएटली, वो जॉब में जाता है. जिनको फाइनेंशियल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, घर पे सपोर्ट है या लोन ले सकते हैं, चिंता नहीं, आराम से मैं जॉब करूंगा, तो वही क्यों नो. सो एटलीस्ट 20% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स जॉब लेते नहीं, या जॉब लिया तो भी 1-2 साल के बाद वापस आते हैं कि यार और पढ़ना है मुझे, थोड़ा नॉलेज अभी भी मुझे और नो. ऐसा सैट्स जनरली इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, इंडस्ट्री मीन्स रिपीटेटिव वर्क. तो फिर उन लोगों को मजा नहीं आता कि यार मुझे कुछ और रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जॉब्स चाहिए, तो इंडिया में नहीं मिलेगा. फिर देन रिसर्च लैब्स पे जाना पड़ेगा, वो वेरी रेयरली होता है वर्ल्ड में. तो उस इंडस्ट्री पे जाना है तो फिर आपको फर्दर क्वालिटी एजुकेशन करना पड़ेगा, रिसर्च बैकग्राउंड चाहिए. सो देन अगेन यू कम बैक एंड अप्लाई फॉर हायर स्टडीज. बट आंडू पांडू यूनिवर्सिटीज में पीजी करने में कोई पॉइंट नहीं. इफ एट ऑल यू वांट टू डू पीजी एटलीस्ट लाइक आईआईटी बॉम्बे, ठीक है, एमटेक आईआईटी बॉम्बे में क्या अच्छी बात है, राइट, या आईआईटी मद्रास में करो, आईआईटी दिल्ली में करो. बट ये 3-4 आईआईटी छोड़ के कोई अदर एनआईटीज या न्यूली ओपन आईआईटी में गया, कोई पॉइंट नहीं. व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू एमटेक? ऑलरेडी जितना पढ़ना था वो पढ़ लिया. सिमिलरली यूएस में 15-20 यूनिवर्सिटीज के बाद कहीं भी एमएस करो, उसका कोई कीमत नहीं है. वापस यू हैव टू स्ट्रगल फॉर द जॉब. अगर इंडिया में इतना अच्छा मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में जॉब है तो फिर उधर जाके धक्के क्यों कर रहे हो? डोंट डू दैट. अगर अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है, फीस ज्यादा है तो भी वर्थ है, क्योंकि आपको इमीडिएटली वो रिकवर होता है या स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है इमीडिएटली, आपको जाते ही मिल जाएगा आपको. देन इट्स वर्थ टू डू, नॉट जस्ट फॉर नेम सेक. अदर कॉलेजेस में एमएस के लिए क्यों जाते हैं, उनको जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है करके फिर वापस हायर स्टडीज के लिए जाते हैं। एसपीआईटी के लिए वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, यू ऑल इफ यू डू योर एकेडमिक्स एक्सट्रीमली गुड तो जॉब मिल ही जाता है ना, फिर क्यों आए एमएस के लिए जाने का। ये अथर्व।
सर अभी जैसे सेकेंड ईयर में रिसर्च इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग के ईयर्स में स्विच कर सकते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में इंटर्नशिप में?
नहीं, हम वही मैं बता रहा हूँ कि हमें स्क्रूटनी करेंगे हम, आप क्या करने वाले, योर प्रपोजल, योर मेंटर, द एरिया विच यू वांट टू वर्क, वेयर यू वांट टू वर्क, सो वो सब देयर विल बी ए सम प्रोसेस विल बी इन्वॉल्व। क्योंकि हमें ये सब स्टैंडर्ड वर्क, फेक रिसर्च, फेक इंटर्नशिप वी डोंट अलाउ। जो बाकी लोग करते होंगे बट वी डोंट अलाउ, so there will be some scrutiny will be there. That's why I said the purpose of starting this hobby club or is just to understand, आपको जितना आप इंटरेक्शन करोगे तब थोड़ा मेच्योरिटी आएगा to understand what is do's and what are don'ts. आजकल सोसाइटी में don'ts ज्यादा है do से, is a problem. Yes, Swarup.
What which college committees should we join?
वो that's your choice. There is nothing wrong. वो committees is your choice. They also have some use filtering process. That's okay. That I don't comment because they're all what is called personality development. I am talking about the hobby club, means technical. I am talking about as a technical. इसमें कोई filter नहीं रहता है ना। हम लोग जो क्लब का जो द क्लब आई एम टॉकिंग उसमें कोई फिल्टरिंग नहीं है, ऑल आर वेलकम। बट फिर भी मैं बता रहा हूँ हार्डली 10% लोग आते हैं।
Okay, thank you, sir.
यस अक्षत, यू कैन मीट मी जब आपको और डिस्कस करना है तो। But as I said, if you participate in the club, then we will have more opportunity to interact. No, I will be giving some time for you, so you should come. Then we can discuss more about your career plans and what is good research, what is bad research, what is good product, what is bad product, and so on. This is a platform. No? The purpose of providing is just to interact ताकि और डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाए। As you grow, your questions maturity will be different. जैसा सेकंड सेमेस्टर पे you will ask different questions, सेकंड ईयर पे you will ask different questions, थर्ड ईयर पे different, फाइनल ईयर पे different. Even when you join for higher studies, one day you will come back, again you will ask a different questions. Or when you join industry, then you again come back saying that I want to start my own company. You will ask a different questions. So the maturity will be different at every stage. So that's why it's better to have more time to time interaction rather than having a bad company, bad circle. It is better to have always in a good circle. That's the beauty of SPIT culture. But then it is your choice. Who is your partners? All right, then I think if there are no questions, let's wind up. Let's see. So those volunteers, at least we'll meet either Saturday or Sunday, and then we will form the groups, right? Every class there will be few volunteers. they will organize this one day event. Then we will start actual hobby club activities after the one day program. Yes, Harsh, quickly.
Sir, uh, will you post the update for the volunteers?
Sorry.
Sir, will you post the update for the volunteers, like when they have to come and what to do?
No, they already formed a WhatsApp group. No, you can join there. I'm
Yeah, I
posting.
have already joined that, but just wanted to ask.
Yeah, yeah. So I called all the volunteers. I had given 2 days, second and I think tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday. But all of them opted Sunday, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all of them are coming on 6th, I think. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So for volunteers, first I will conduct one full day training program. So they will have maturity. Then they will prepare the lab, like I had given list of the activities. And then they own every class, few students. And then on particular day, they will be acting as a assistants for me to conduct the entire event, including registration, giving the certificates and all. So that's the volunteer for this event. And after that, again, I will have a different kind of volunteers for the entire coding club. That will be a journey of 1 year, your entire first year. So those that time we'll have a different kind of objectives like hackathon, coding competition, ideation workshop. So those are different events. So those volunteers will be again different. This time volunteers are meant for this one day training program for all 8 divisions. So I will divide you in groups now. Okay then. So it's already late. Maybe having you dinner. Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.